Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can view every Facebook ad that your competitors are running. And this is very simple. So let's say that you are a sporting goods store, you want to see what other ads your competitors are running. So we'll just taking a look at Dick's Sporting Goods right now. And if you go to About, go to Page Transparency, and you can see that this page is currently running ads, and you just click See All, and this lets you know that this page is running ads, and you go to Ad Library. And once you go to Ad Library, you'll see that all of the ads that are currently being ran are being shown to you. So we can see these holiday ads that are being run. You can see, anywhere from the videos. You can click the link and see where the links of their ads are taking you. And it's just a very easy tool. You can see more ad details about the advertiser. You can see all of this information, every single ad that is run, just within that section. So we can go again, we can click on this ad, see where it's taken us. It's taken to this men's workout clothes. So let's go and look at another competitor. So we'll go to Academy Sports, and we will do the same thing. We'll go to About, we'll go to Page Transparency, and we can see that this page is currently running ads. Click See All, scroll down, go to Ad Library, and let's see what sort of ads they're running. So we can see that they're running some Christmas ads um, that we can take a look at and get some ideas of our own and see what we're sort of up against. We can see so shop NFL gifts. Let's see where this is taking us. So we could see that it's showing taking us to NFL shop, and then you can also get some ideas a lot of times within competitors' campaigns of what they're doing within their URL. Maybe they within their campaign name they have something that sticks out to you. But in this case, that doesn't seem to happen. It just tells us the content that they're showing. The NFL holiday videos, and these are the products. So, um, yeah, it's very easy to see every one of your ads that your competitors are running on Facebook by going to the ad library. And you can do this on your phone as well. You just go to the same exact spot. So, again, you go to the Facebook page, you go to About, Page Transparency, See All, go to Ad Library. It's all you got to do. It's so simple, and you'll get so much knowledge of your competitors and their ads. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.